Dealing with a lot of international brands on behalf of Time International, my work has taken me to many beautiful places around the world. But as they say, there's no place like home. I've always been proud of being Indonesian and of all the beauty and wonders that Indonesia has to offer. From Sabang to Merauke, Indonesia offers an unparalleled number of fascinating cultures, cuisines, and breathtaking landscapes. So when it comes to taking time out of my schedule for a short getaway to unwind and recharge, destinations like Labuan Bajo, Bali are high on my list. With the Plataran Group, thanks to their remarkable hospitality and beautiful properties, I've been able to have some of my most memorable cherished trips. Congratulations to my good friend Joshua Marcus for staying true to your vision of becoming a true Indonesian icon. I wish you continued success always.